Hi guys, so if you have been following me on Instagram, you would know that I posted this look on my reels a week ago and I got so many requests to do a detailed video about it, so here it is. So to begin with, here's a foundation hack that I've been following for a lot of time now. It's a very common hack, nothing unique. I just take a very small drop of foundation on this kabuki brush and I just spread it evenly across my face. I do not intend to hide any pimples or pigmentation or anything. I just want to cover the redness to make the color of my skin look even. Also, this brush is from Miniso. It's originally a contour brush, but I usually use it for concealer, and recently I've been also using it to apply my foundation in this way. Now sometimes, in case I do not want the pimples or the pigmentation to be completely visible and want partial coverage on those, I do spot correction using the concealer. Now I'm using the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. I'm using a flat brush to give the shape on my eyelid, and then I will be using my fingers to make the color more bright, since fingers give a really nice application and they catch the pigment very easily. I'm just gonna go halfway through my lid. Now I'm using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. I'm using this as a base for the glitter that I'm about to put on my eyes. Now the formula of this glitter is gel, so the best way to apply is of course your fingers, and also the key is to press the glitter on your eyes and not rub it. Just finishing up with a little more blue on top, and that is it for the shadow. Now I'll be using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I feel like if you have the willingness and the capability to buy expensive makeup, this mascara is so good and worth all your money. It really gives you long lashes and volume on your lashes. I really like it. It's worth an investment. A Huda Beauty lipstick. I have linked it below, but here I felt like using a combination of these two lipsticks that are much affordable than that. Both of these lipsticks are from a brand called House of Makeup. It's a vegan and cruelty free brand. I have linked their website in the description below in case you want to check it out, and if you feel like buying anything, you have my code right here on the screen to get you some discount. Next, I'm applying the shade Low Key. It's a nice coral peachy color and it looks really beautiful on its own as well. I thought the combination of these two would look really nice. I felt like it was looking a bit darker, so what I'm doing is I'm applying some compact on top of it instead of changing the lipstick. Just some accessorizing and we're done. I have linked all the products in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Also, Nykaa's Navratri sale is on, so you can get the products that I used in this video at a 40 to 50% discount. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell before you leave. Bye.